How to Start Dropshipping in 2024 Step-by-Step Guide. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to start dropshipping in 2024. Whether you're looking to create a side hustle or build a full-fledged online business, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's dive in. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. It's a low-risk way to start your e-commerce journey. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step is to choose a niche. Focus on a market with a passionate audience and low competition. Research trending products and ensure there's demand for what you want to sell. Remember, a well-defined niche can make or break your success in dropshipping. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Spocket are popular choices. When selecting a supplier, consider factors like product quality, shipping times, and customer reviews. Building a strong relationship with your supplier is crucial to ensuring smooth operations. Step 3. Set up your online store. Once you have your niche and suppliers, it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce are great for beginners. Choose a clean, user-friendly design and make sure your site is mobile optimized. Don't forget to set up payment gateways to start accepting orders. Step 4. Market your store. Now that your store is up and running, it's time to drive traffic. Utilize social media platforms, run targeted ads, and create engaging content to attract customers. Consider using influencer marketing and email campaigns to reach a broader audience. Consistency in marketing is key to growing your brand. Step 5. Analyze and optimize. Finally, regularly analyze your store's performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to track traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior. Based on your findings, optimize your website, product offerings, and marketing strategies. Conclusion. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to starting dropshipping in 2024. Remember, success in dropshipping doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient, keep learning, and adapt to changes in the market. Good luck on your dropshipping journey.